Hi everybody, it's Jill Blanchett with Green Thumb Stampers. I'm here today with another Finally Friday video. We've got a no frills tutorial with a fun fold that we don't know what it's called, but I spent some time over at my friend Patty Tyre's and she created our no frills tutorial for today. So hang on and I'll get it going.
So today I found this card on the internet. It's called a fun fold card. And this is what we're going to show you how to make. So to start, you're going to need a piece of cardstock that is going to be 11 by 5.5, and then you are going to score it at 1 3/4, 3.5, 5 1/4, and at 7. And then when you start your folds, your first fold is a mountain fold, so that goes up. And then your valley fold goes in, and then you're going to do another mountain fold, and your last one is the valley fold. And if you want, you can get your bone folder and burnish these to make your edges sharper. So this is what you're going to end up with. So then for the inside, for your DSP, your designer series paper or patterned paper, you're going to cut pieces at 1.5 by 5 1/4. I chose to do just 2 different patterns, and you're going to just do every other one. So you've got 1.5 by 5 1/4 here, your second piece there, your third piece here, and your fourth piece will go here, and you will adhere all of those down. And then on the back section of your card, or the inside back of your card, you are going to need a piece of DSP that is going to measure 5 1/4 by 3 3/4. And then this next piece here that fits over your folds, this piece measures 5 by 3. That's for the cardstock. It's 5 by 3, and you're going to score that at 2.5, which is going to be, then it's going to fold directly in half. And then your inside DSP is going to be 2 1/4 by 2 3/4. And your last piece inside the card is going to measure 2.5 by 3. The vanilla cardstock is 2 1/4 by 2 3/4. So we've got all of our DSP paper glued down, and when you get to the back side of the card, you want to center this one. And then when you go to connect this to your folds, you want to line this up with this card so that it's hidden when it is closed. So I'm going to line that up, and I'm going to put some glue on it. And you want to make sure you don't go too far over the edge. So just get a good amount of glue there. And now that that's lined up, I'm going to glue this front panel, and I'm going to hold it for a minute. Make sure it sticks. And then you can flip it up and over to glue this other side, and you know that you've got it lined up. So put down a little bit of the green glue. We're going to fold it back over, give it a little bit of pressure so that when we fold it, it's covered. And this is what it looks like standing up, and that's the fun fold card.
I hope you thought that that was a cool card and you're going to give it a try. We had a great time putting it together. She made a couple of them. So that's it, guys. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.